Invent is a new educational construction kit to teach coding by making robots, alarms, weather stations, and much more. It's not like anything else. The drag and drop coding and the click together blocks allow an 8-year-old to create a robot in minutes. And industry standard languages like Python and JavaScript, combined with hundreds of off-the-shelf modules, allow engineering students to create complex robots and inventions. With the Getting Started video and free curriculum, you can learn coding and robotics out of the box and build robots to navigate by themselves and follow racetracks. Our online project showcase has more advanced examples from ultrasonic alarms to remote-controlled battlebots complete with laser cannons and flippers. Invent has been custom designed for education. The blocks can be clicked together, connected and coded to perform all sorts of tasks. In under 60 seconds, you'll create a simple robot and immediately start learning coding and problem solving. Even better, it packs away just as quickly, ready for the next young inventor to work on. Invent is incredibly rugged, with fiberglass boards and high-quality metal-geared motors, and works on PCs, Macs and Chromebooks. No drivers or installed software is needed, so it's suitable for even the most novice students and teachers with minimal IT support. Invent is truly cross-curricular. Although you can simply click modules onto the provided baseboards, the clever peg-based system just uses holes, so if you have access to a laser cutter or even just a drill, you can make your own robot chassis or enclosures. Use it for product design and technology, attach sensors for science experiments, and even create art and explore geometry. Invent is a product of Tech Camp, the UK's longest running technology and engineering camps. We've been teaching robotics for over 10 years, and it feels like we've used every educational robot on the market. There are some great, inexpensive robots for education, but they're designed for a single purpose and have a limited lifespan. Being built to a budget, when parts break, you usually need to buy a completely new kit. There are also some great modular building systems, but they use proprietary connections, so you can only buy their parts, and it's usually unaffordable to buy whole-class kits. With lengthy builds, students also can't normally experience building robots as well as coding. Invent is built around the BBC Microbit, an inexpensive computer board that can be programmed in Scratch, Python, JavaScript, and other languages, and has sensors built in that can detect motion, the Earth's magnetic field, light, and temperature. More importantly, it has its own great support community built around it. Invent builds on this by adding a foolproof system to connect modules together, both mechanically and electrically. We've also developed custom extensions for our own modules and those of many third-party Grove modules. For the first time, using advanced technologies like gesture sensors, speech recognition, and even satellite tracking that was only previously available to engineers is as simple as just dragging and dropping. We're continually developing new blocks for Invent and even new computing modules. A Raspberry Pi version will be shortly available to add advanced AI and computer vision. We've put together 4 great kits for inventors of all levels. Our starter kit includes all you need to create simple autonomous robots, with bumper switches, a buzzer, 2-colored LED light, baseboard, and everything else that you need to get started. Over 10 hours of free curriculum show you how to create not just robots, but Morse code buzzers, alarms, and more. The Explorer kit extends this with blocks to follow racetracks, go towards or away from lights, create lighting effects, and draw pictures. A further 10 hours of free curriculum and the Mission to Mars and Racetrack activity mats are also provided. The RoboWars kit extends this even further with a motion-activated remote control and an infrared laser tag cannon. Use it to teach advanced motion control and wireless communication, or just use it for a bit of robot battling fun. The Engineer kit also includes a construction system, a powerful servo to make things move, ultrasonic eyes, and even prototyping boards to create your own modules.